The real value to us of coming to AIRMIC is actually meeting with brokers and with risk managers. What we always find when we come here is that we learn what is going through the minds of the risk managers, what are the hot topics, what's of interest to them. And it's a great opportunity to spend some really quality time with them, understanding more about what the issues are. What we're hearing at the moment is that there is a lot of interest in trying to speed up the certainty with which claims get paid. That there's a lot of discussion around what needs to happen and how the industry could help not just improve the speed of the settlement, but also the certainty of the claims payment. And that's clearly something that we as a major insurer are very supportive of. So for us, the next 2 days is really about cramming in as many meetings as possible, listening to what our customers are saying to us, and also listening to what the brokers are saying on behalf of their clients. The standout events for us over the last 12 months, I think, have been some of the major loss events that have happened around the world. You always end up learning something about how insurance policies respond to that. You always learn something new about risk that emerges from those big catastrophes. And clearly they're very tragic events in their own right in terms of the loss of life. But how companies are reacting to those losses, how the insurance industry is responding to them, is something that we've learned a lot about. There's been a lot of chat about, on the property side, about business interruption and some of the independency risk. So for us to try and understand supply chain risk and how policies respond in the event of those type of changes to the industry are very, very important to us. That coupled with the fact that you need to look at how the policy language deals with some of these events. Again, you learn more about how your own policies respond in those particular events. The issue to us when we sort of come here is, I think we've talked already about claim settlement and the importance of that. There's a lot of chat about that, and I think that's a really, really healthy debate for the industry to get around. For us, the way policies are written and how they respond and how they're different between different carriers is something that people don't spend enough time thinking about. At Allied World, we've spent a lot of time as we've built out our primary capability and our primary offering, whether it's on the casualty side, the property side, is we've looked at a lot of the different wordings that exist around the UK and the European insurance industry, and looked at how we can differentiate ourselves and actually provide a better product for risk managers. I don't think people spend enough time really debating that and actually analysing that. There's a huge focus on price, and clearly that is very important. There is a huge focus on issues like claim settlement. I don't think the industry spends enough time really thinking through and actually giving credit for wider policy wordings. So for us, when we communicate with risk management brokers, we do try and explain what we have done to improve the policy language, and I wish there was more debate about that.
The fact that we're now launching primary capability, we're in the final stages of bringing our wordings to market, and we've taken a lot of soundings from technical experts on the broking side, loss adjusting side, and so on, and now to kind of complete the process to hear what the issues are that are most relevant to the clients who are also going to be buying the product. So the timing there is particularly fortunate for us.